Welcome to the online tutorial for the Venus Control Suite Pro Ad Grid package for your Daktronics digital display. The Venus Control Suite Pro Ad Grid package is generally used in out-of-home advertising applications in malls. Venus Control Suite is a web-based software that allows for a display management solution accessible from any internet-enabled computer, tablet, or mobile phone. This means you will have access to your display even when you're on the go. In this video, we will cover the 3 easy steps to get your advertisers' content to your display. To accompany this video, we also have PDF worksheets that provide you with the step-by-step instructions for managing sales, content, and playlists. Let's get logged in and get started. The login page can be found at https://venus.daktronics.com. Enter the email address you provided to Daktronics for your username and the password that was provided to you for your first-time login. During your first-time login, you will be prompted to set your password for future logins. Type in your new password and confirm it. You can also enter in any additional information. Once finished, click Save. After logging in, you will be brought to the dashboard of the account. The dashboard provides up-to-date visual feedback regarding the schedule and connectivity to your displays. By clicking on the thumbnail icon, you are provided with a thumbnail of recently played content. By clicking the heartbeat icon, you are able to see the status of your display's connectivity. If a webcam is added to a display, it can be viewed from the camera icon. As you can see, our display does not have a webcam. The features on the dashboard have a 10-second refresh rate. Let's discuss sales first. We will click on the Sales tab of our main menu on the left. Next, we will select which display we would like to view the ad grid for. The Venus Ad Grid shows the current sales and available slots. To add a new sale, click on Add New. Choose the account from the existing list or create a new advertiser account. Next, click the sales start and end date and save. Now that we have our sale made, let's move on to content. From the main menu, select Media. Venus Control Suite allows you to upload content directly to the media library by clicking and dragging or browsing your computer. Let's click on the blue Upload button. The accepted file formats are listed out in the Upload window. Let's browse our computer and upload media for our new advertiser. Next, associate the files to their respective advertiser accounts and tag content right from the Upload window. You can even create an advertiser account in the Upload window if you haven't already. Click Done to return to the full media library. Venus Control Suite allows you to schedule your campaigns stress-free. From the main menu, select Playlists. Click the Add New button to create a new playlist or click on an existing playlist to make changes. First, select your advertiser. Next, we will fill in the details for our playlist. Under Playlist Details, click Edit. Enter in a title for the playlist and select when the playlist should be running as part of your schedule. Once done, click Save. Next, click the Edit button under Playlist Files. Only the media items associated to your advertiser account will appear. Click the plus sign next to the thumbnail or drag the content you'd like to add to the playlist. Click Save once you're done. To send your playlist out to your display, click Add Displays under Displays and place a check mark in the display or displays you want to send it to and save. We understand when working in the software you may have questions and need assistance. We have resources linked right in your software. In the top right corner, click on the user menu where you see your email address or name if provided. For resources and assistance, click on the About tab. Here you'll find our phone number, the manual for Venus Control Suite, knowledge base to find self-guided help, service request form, and contact a trainer for how-to type questions. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. Be sure to check out the accompanied PDF worksheets to review the steps for your Venus Control Suite software. For more information on specific functions or training options, visit www.daktronics.com/training or call Daktronics support at 1-800-325-8766 or 1-800-Daktronics.